Hey guys! Welcome to my first YouTube nail polish video ever. So today I'm going to do a really fun nail polish video and I really hope you guys like it. So let's get started. So we're going to start with a clear nail polish base, which will protect your nail from any nail polish stains from the actual colored polish. So usually what I like to do is just 3 strokes of the nail polish brush, because then the layer won't be too thick and won't be too thin either. Also, it helps sort of prevent nail polish sticking onto the sides of your fingers, which are not your nails, and that's not very pleasant. So yeah, just gonna do it for all 10 of my nails and then I'll come back. Also, in case you guys are wondering, I have no idea what this nail polish base brand is. All I know is that I got it from a nearby pharmacy, so it's quite cheap and it works really well. Also, it's pretty good quality, I think, for the price. I find nail polish to be so relaxing to do. It's just, I don't know, there's something about it, right? Have you guys painted your nails like this before? I mean, I'm sure you have, but like, do you get the same feeling like I do? Like, oh, it's so relaxing. Sort of like a weekend pamper, don't you think? So I'm almost done with all my nails. And then we're going to wait for it to dry so we can put on the actual color polish, which is in the background. Oh, that's the most fun part. I can't wait. 10 minutes later and my nails are all dried. Isn't it amazing how in YouTube videos you can just make 10 minutes go by in a split second? I find that so interesting. Okay, so anyway, we're going to put the fun layer on now. It's the OPI Are You Happy to See Me? LOL. And it's just a really fun color because it's shiny and with gold flecks, but without any too bright color. It's just nice and muted, and I think that's really nice. So we're just going to do the same technique again, just for a thin layer. I like thin layers, but if you feel it's too transparent for you, just let the first layer dry and then add a second layer maybe 10 or 20 minutes later once it's fully dried. So as usual, we're just gonna do the same thing for all 10 nails, and during the video you might see me dipping hard into the bottle, sort of like fishing stuff out because the gold flecks always love to sink to the bottom, and that's so annoying because then I just get the nice pink sheen, which is nice, but I get it without the gold flecks, which are the star of the polish. So yeah. Also, I just wanted to mention, this video is not sponsored by OPI or any brand whatsoever. Just so you know. Okay, here comes the hard dipping. So sort of fishing around in there. And here goes our last nail. Yay, now it's all covered up. Now we're just gonna screw the cap back on. Of course, you can add a second layer after it's dried if you want. That's totally up to you. So that's the finished product. I'm gonna show you some photos of it now. Cue photos. There you go. So yeah, it turns out really well. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. It's all down below. So thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot, and see you next time. Bye.